Let's see here. Or not. There we go. There we go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Chris, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Damn, I can't talk. I'm gonna be bringing out, car content, stuff like that. My own personal vlogs. I'm new to, vlogs. Not new to YouTube, because I've done it before, but I'm new to vlogs. New to, the whole cinematography of car videos. So, as I get better, I hope you guys will enjoy. I feel like I'm zoomed in. Zoomed in. Look at my nose. Anyway, like I was saying, gonna be new to this, so, give me any props, pointers that I will need. Because, like I said, new to this shit, new to the game. And I would like to get better at it, so I can provide you guys with better content, and also I would like better gear. But anyway, the agenda for today. So the girlfriend and my little girl, I have a little 3-year-old named Sophia, cutest little thing in the world. They're at the Tennessee Safari today, and I get a little bit of me time. And if you're wondering what me time is, it's mainly just, sitting at the house, not doing shit. Probably jack off a little bit and do some car work. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. Emphasis on the car work. I got my buddy Darius. He's supposed to be coming over. Gotta wash the inside and outside of the mom car. And then we're going to wash my car, and we're also going to repaint my wheels. Let's go out and check it out. As you see, mom car, just a Camry, not anything special. But there's the dad car. There it is, in all of his daddy glory. Yeah, dad car. We're gonna be repolishing the wheels on here and changing this to a gold color. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do today. Wait for Darius to get here with his stock G37. We're gonna get some mods on that sometime today. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm going to get out the foam cannon. And if you don't know what this is, it's just a OxyClean foam cannon that I got from Walmart. About 25-ish, maybe 22, 23, 24 bucks. Works really well. I like it. So we're going to use that, and also we need to get the vacuum cleaner out because my girlfriend's car needs her interior wash. Look at me. You see me. Now you don't. Now you do. Now you don't. Anyway, we need to get this down. Both her and my car needs that interior work. Also, stitcher cord. So if you're wondering what I use to wash my car, some good old turtle wax, wash and wax. I'm low on that, so I also bought some more. Bought some Mothers. We're going to put that down there because we don't need that yet. Where's my AutoZone bag? There we go. Mothers Speed Clay. I've used clay before, but I saw this and I was like, let's try it out. I mean, can't hurt to try. So we're gonna use that. With that being said, only one thing to do, and that is pretty much let's go outside. Yeah, let's go outside. But instead of going through the door, we're gonna teleport. So watch this. All right. About to hit up the mom mobile, her Camry. We're gonna work with it. Man, that's fast. Anyway, we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna put this thing on put my camera on the tripod and pretty much wait till Darius gets here with his G. So now we got the car all nice and sudsy. So now we just have the sprayer. So we're just gonna spray it down. We've got a visitor. Look at him. Look at him. What's up, Darius? I don't think you closed it good enough. What was that beeping noise?
I left my keys in there.
Damn.
Not let you lock the car until you get your keys out.
That's pretty dope.
I like about this car.
That's pretty dope. Still stock though. I'm waiting for some coilovers or the exhaust, but hopefully the coilovers. Say hello to the camera.
We'll be coming soon. Trust me. We'll be coming soon, hopefully.
Say hello, Darius.
Well, hello. How are y'all? I am awkwardly awkward.
Alright, so shit, I forgot what we're doing. Oh yeah, so we're gonna go to AutoZone, grab this oil, and then come back and tackle the interior of this monstrosity, because God, it's just awful. So yeah, head to AutoZone. Yeah, that clay bar can knock all that off.
Okay.
Yeah, you good. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Turn that bitch on. What you doing, man? Hot up in this motherfucker. Jesus, turn on the air. Oh, no, we gotta turn that off.
Yeah.
Let's Roski.
No,
Get in the zone.
But
We're here, bitches. We'll be back. All right, bitches, we're back. So, gonna let his car cool down. I'm gonna go tackle the interior of my girlfriend's car. I'm not gonna show y'all in person or on camera because it looks like hell in a handbasket. And I'm going to pull out a dent. So, I'm gonna let y'all go for a second. I'll just see you assholes later. Alright, so we're back outside. We ate some Five Guys burgers and fries. So what we're about to do is take the wheels off the car and pretty much re-polish the wheels because they are nasty looking, real nasty. And we're gonna repaint the blue a nice bronzy gold color. Alright, so boom, got the wheel off. Damn, I can't lift. Hey, lift this up, Darius. This way. Lift it up that way. So boom, that's the wheel. It's all nasty and dirty looking, it's ugly. We're gonna make it beautiful. So now, ooh, curb rash. That's ugly. Let's get a zoom up on that. Ooh. Ooh. I just went ahead and started to spray them with this right here. Pretty much strips the paint and everything. So that's what they're doing. That paint's currently stripping, and slowly but surely we'll just kind of like wash the paint off. If you see, that it's working. So as you see, most of the paint's gone. Still got a little bit here and there. So I'm going to sand these down and then put some primer on them. Alright, so the wheels are here, so I guess now it's time to sand them. Alright, so we have all four wheels primed. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 primed, and once that dries, we're going to go ahead and hit them with that metallic. What is this anyway? It's metallic champagne bronze, if you can see that. Oh. Alright, Alright, so I got the first coat. It probably doesn't look like it, but got the first coat on all the wheels going. So we're gonna let those dry real good and then come back and apply the second coat. So for the second coat, I already did those two over there, but what I'm doing for this second coat is I'm getting in between the spokes, trying to angle and get in the spokes, because those are hard to get into if you're just spraying. So this pretty much counts for the second coat. That way I don't get any like runs or anything. So did those two already, doing that one and that one now. Alright guys, so we've got the base coat on all the wheels. We've been using some good old clear coats on these shits, and so now we're just camera strap. And so now we're just waiting for it to dry so I can go ahead and polish the lips and be done with this project. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with those wheels. Here they are. This boom. So I think they came out good. Thing about the Style 5 BBSs that come on the 5 Series, the E39 5 Series, is that they're not like a mirror finish like you see other BBSs, but they look better than what they did before. Still got a little curbing right there, but other than that, man, this stuff is done. So I'm gonna go put these shits on my car. It's like almost 10 o'clock right now. I'm gonna put them on my car, and yeah, I'll be done. So, you know, appreciate you guys tuning in for my very first vlog, whatever the fuck it is, episode. As I create more content, I promise I'm gonna get better and better with the camera work and editing. So just stay tuned. And what's a good outro?